Dear students, I hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ideal English Teacher. If you are first in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and to get all notifications first, please press the bell icon and don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I shall teach you English grammars. Grammar practice set 6. HS English grammar practice set 6. Clear? 24. My father could convey complex spiritual concepts in a very down to earth Tamil. Change the voice. Change the voice. Look at the line. My father could convey complex spiritual concepts in a very down to earth Tamil. Change the voice. Voice change. From where has this line been taken? This line has been taken from Strong Roots, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Clear? At first, we have to know what type of the sentence it is. Type of sentence and which voice. What type of sentence and which voice. Clear? What type of the sentence? Look. This sentence starts, my father. There is a subject. There is a subject, my father. And at the end of the sentence, there is a full stop. So, it is an assertive sentence. Because an assertive sentence always starts with a subject and ends with a full stop. Clear? Assertive sentence. Which voice? Here the verb is could convey. Here the verb is could, modal auxiliary verb, and convey, finite verb. The subject is my father. In the sentence, my father directly or my father itself performs the action of the verb convey. My father itself, the subject itself performs the action of the finite verb convey. So, it is in active voice. Assertive sentence and active voice. Clear? Rules of voice change. First, we have to find out object from the sentence. We have to find out object from the sentence. Object. Complex spiritual concepts. Complex spiritual concepts. The verb is convey. What convey? What convey? The answer is concept, spiritual concepts. So, concept, spiritual concept is the object of the sentence. The first concept, a complex spiritual concepts. Concept, spiritual concepts. Object. What? Object in the active voice. Object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. Object in the active voice becomes or will be the subject in the passive voice. Clear? Next, be verb. In the sentence, there are two verbs. One is could and other is convey. Could is modal auxiliary verb. Could is modal auxiliary verb and it is used here as a helping verb. And convey is finite verb. If there is modal auxiliary verb, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need to, ought to, dare to, is to, modal auxiliary verb. If there is modal auxiliary verb in active voice, we shall not change modal auxiliary verbs. We shall not change modal auxiliary verbs. Could. And be verbs. Be verb takes only one form, be. Be verb takes only one form, be. So, could be. And after be, past participle form of the finite verb will be used. Convey, finite verb, and main verb, verb present group. So, the third group of convey is conveyed. Conveyed. Clear? And then complement or other items. Complement or other items. We shall place complement after the third group of the verb. Clear? Third form of the verb. In a very down to earth. In this sentence, the complement is in a very down to earth Tamil. So, in a very down to earth Tamil. Clear? And then appropriate preposition by is used because the action will be performed by the subject by. Next, subject in the active voice will become the object in the passive voice. Subject in active voice will be the object of passive voice. My father subject, my father. Full stop. Clear? Complex spiritual concepts could be conveyed in a very down to earth Tamil by my father. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions. Fill in the blanks with articles and prepositions. Clear? The sun is delicious. The sun is delicious. This night we can sit dash front dash log fire and drink little brandy. It is a very important line. From where is the line taken? This line has been taken from the eyes have it. Clear? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with articles and prepositions. Articles and prepositions. Appropriate articles and appropriate prepositions. First, the sun is delicious. Delicious means pleasant. This night we can sit dash front dash log fire and drink dash little brandy. Clear? The sun. Appropriate article, the sun. Why the is used? Now, the is used before the noun which is only one. Which is only one. That means the noun is sun. Sun is only one in this universe. Clear? So the is used. Clear? The sun is delicious. Dash night. Appropriate preposition, at night. Why at? Why at? Night indicates here, night. Night indicates specific time. To indicate specific time, at is used. At is used. Clear? So, at night. We can sit dash front dash front dash front. There is a phrase in front of. Clear? In front of. Before front, in is used, and after front, of is used. It is a prepositional phrase. It is a prepositional phrase. So, in front of. Clear? Dash log fire. Dash log fire. The word log fire starts with consonant. With a consonant. So, a log fire. A is used before the noun beginning with consonant sound. Beginning with consonant sound. A is used before the nouns beginning with consonant sound. Clear? And drink dash little brandy. Brandy means one kind of wine. Drink dash little brandy. A little brandy. The word little begins with a consonant and a is used A is used before the nouns beginning with consonant sound. L, little, L, consonant. Lock, L, consonant sound. Clear? Please note down the grammars and practice all the grammars. This is the end of my class.